Hi, in this presentation, I will show you the main features in App4Legal and how a law firm can work on this platform with its different modules. App4Legal is a platform that is highly modular and configurable. It means you can scale it the way you want when you're doing litigation, corporate, invoicing your clients, and dealing with them. Client management, case management, documents management, task management, and contract lifecycle management are some of its main modules. In App4Legal, there is several add-ons for collaboration like Outlook, Gmail, or Microsoft Teams that will allow you to collaborate efficiently and archive important emails on the fly. App4Legal is a platform that is GDPR certified, secure with the best enterprise and bank security standards. It's available on cloud and on premises, installed on your servers and managed by you directly. Let me show you how a user or a law firm could operate on App4Legal. When we sign in, the main modules will be in the main menu in the horizontal bar. Because App4Legal is highly modular, you can choose the modules that suits your business needs. It's a multi-language platform. Users can change the language on the fly with no need to any installation. First, let me show you how to manage your clients, who could be either companies or contacts. To create them in App4Legal, you can use the Quick Add button to add a company or a contact. You will set the 3 mandatory fields and use other fields to generate reports and filter later. One very important characteristic in App4Legal is that most of the fields are highly configurable. Like here, you can add value to the drop-down list by clicking on the plus button. This is how, using this simple form, you can add your clients to the platform. Once your clients is created, we can now move to the core module, which is the engine of the platform. That is corporate matters and litigation case management. Corporate lawyers will be able to manage corporate matters, and litigation lawyers could manage litigation cases. Let me show you how. So again, from the Quick Add button, you can add a matter where you will be asked to feed the platform with some data related to this matter. Whenever you enter a corporate matter, you need to set its name. You categorize it by setting its practice area and the arrival date of this matter to your law firm. You can also set the teams that will be working on it and the legal professional assigned on it. This will certainly depend on the structure of your firm. Whenever you create or update or add a corporate matter, a task, a reminder, an email, and an in-app notification will be sent to specific stakeholders. Therefore, the system will be acting as a virtual assistant for every single end user. The same way you added a corporate matter, you can use the Quick Add button to add a new litigation case too. The interface to add a new litigation case is like the one you used to add a corporate matter, with small differences. In a litigation case, you need to set who will be the client and who will be the opponent. Once the corporate matter or the litigation case are created, you can click on the name of this corporate matter or litigation case in the grid, and you will be redirected to this matter main page. Each matter has a unique ID number, and you can track the metadata of this matter from this page. Each matter has a side menu where you will be able to capture more data and documents. This way, your data will be structured, organized, and easy to retrieve. The rule is simple. Nothing here is mandatory. The more data you feed the system, the more specific, complete reports you will have eventually. Your data is your asset. You need to make sure you can retrieve your data even after 10 years from now. Now, this matter in which we are working within our demo environment has a title, a description, latest development, workflow. Thus, for certain categories of matters, you can customize the workflow in question. For sure, our expert can configure the workflows for you. Now, this matter has stakeholders. You can identify who will be the contributors, assignee, requesters, the parties, etc. Moreover, to conserve the privacy of the matters, the system with its sophisticated privacy settings will allow you to set the privacy at different level in the platform. You can also customize the fields in the main screen. You can rename the fields the way you want and the way it suits your business. Notes are very important. They are the history you can track. The good thing is that you can track who added what and when. Now you have also the option to log important emails related to a particular matter in App4Legal. In this example, we are logging an email with its attachment as a matter note. Let's go to Outlook and log an email with an attachment as a matter note. The attachments and email content will be saved and conserved. You can retrieve it even after 10 years from now. Your important emails and attachments will be tracked in an organized way in your matter. On top of each matter, you have the option to collaborate with others. Related tasks will allow you to set tasks for existing users on the fly. When I add and assign a task to someone, a notification of this task will be sent to this user, and an in-app notification will show inside his or her screen as well. After setting your task, you can now track the activities to be performed by your team on this matter. Related reminders are also a powerful tool to optimize collaboration in App4Legal. You can set reminders that will be triggered by email or by in-app notification on timely manner. Related Documents tab is the place in which you can upload and download all the related documents to a particular matter. Moreover, you can collaborate on a particular file, and then you can track the list of versioning and to retrieve older version if you wish. All types of files are supported. Users can record expenses to a particular matter. App4Legal is a multi-currency platform. You can categorize expenses and track the billing status of these expenses. Same for the time entries. You can easily log time to a particular matter. The system will automatically track the time and the billable and non-billable amounts to the client in question. Finally, you can set the user rates related to this matter. Moreover, you can also set the capping, partners percentage, and matter rate through the Settings tab. Now, managing a litigation case is very similar to a corporate matter, with a slight difference on the level of litigation workflow. Let's click on a particular litigation case and have a closer look at its features. You have multiple fields to control the same way you did with corporate matters. The main fields here are the client position, opponent positions, the value of the case, the judgment value, and the recovered value. As I said, you can set the currency that you want. When it comes to managing courts, stages, hearings, tasks related to a particular hearing, everything could be done in one single place. For example, if we click on a particular stage, all the related hearings and tasks will appear with related data. Now, for the other related tabs, they are the same as corporate matter. Now, how to collaborate on matters with your team. As a team manager, you can follow up on the matters and latest development. You can use this Kanban board to have a 360-degree view on all the matters. This is an agile way of managing your team from a project management perspective, and its feature highly appreciated by agile teams. You have all the related attributes to a particular matter in each ticket. I can use the filter to identify the workload of each user in the system. I can set the workflow the way I want. When you click on Matters or any other module, you can generate specific reports by using the Advanced Search and Advanced Filter. These reports could be exported to Excel and shared with third parties based on your convenience. Let's say you're working on a particular matter where you have recorded expenses and logged time to this matter. Now we want to invoice our client. To do so, you go to the Money module. It is important to note that App4Legal is a multi-currency and multi-entity solution, meaning if you have more than one entity, with each its own profit and loss statement. The Money module is an embedded accounting solution tailored for legal professionals. You can check all the expenses, time tracking, and you can identify the expenses that have not been invoiced yet and the type of log time on a particular matter for a particular client. Let's invoice our clients. Create new invoice, and the system will guide you through the invoicing process. Insert your client. Choose the matter you want to invoice your client and check the expenses and time logs you want to set them in the invoice. Once you set the entries, the invoice will appear, and you can add additional services in your invoice. Once you're done with the invoice, you can also check the payment and the remaining balance to be invoiced to your client. You can monitor and manage all the invoices through the reporting tool in the Money module. The accountant will also be able to track receivables and payable and your financial performance through the advanced reporting tool in App4Legal. The management can also control the performance using the existing advanced dashboards. You can see how the matters are distributed in the team, check them by dates, per due dates, and you also have dashboards for litigation and time tracking dashboards. Users can also check their personal dashboards to have a visual of their day-to-day activity. Thank you.